Hello friends, let's start another topic in our Java, that is iteration through loops. My dear friends, first of all let's discuss what are loops. Loops is the provision given in Java which helps a programmer to execute one statement or couple of statements n number of times. Now loops are of two types, one is fixed, other is unfixed. Now what are fixed loops? In fixed loops the number of iteration is fixed, and in unfixed loops the number of iterations are not fixed. I mean to say that programmer cannot tell the program to execute a couple of number of times. So here these fixed loops are of one type, which is for loop, and unfixed loop is of two type, which is while loop and do while loop. Today my dear friends, we are going to do for loop which is a fixed loop. Now for loop, look over here, the syntax of for loop is for initial value, test condition and then update. Now initial, and then the braces, in the braces opening and closing there will be the statements. Statement can be one or it can be n number of statements. This is also known as the body of the loop. Now example for this for loop is for, and then this is known as counter variable which we use with the loop. This I variable is a counter variable. First line is the initial value, we have initialized counter variable. Second is the condition, test condition. Here I will be less than equal to 10, and then this is the update condition. This is also known as the increment operator. Which increment? Post increment. We have done in our earlier lecture. Now this is the body of the loop. SOP means system.out.println I. It means this is going to print I 10 times and its output will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now my dear friends, look over here, this is the program by using the for loop. Here we want to print or display the message that God bless you all. So this is my blessings to all of you. So I want to print that blessings 10 times. So first of all, you all know that public class message is the class name, this is a user defined name, and class is the keyword. Second line for the Java program will always be the main method. Now this will be always same, public static void main string args. Next is, this comes the initialization statement. Here we are initializing it, here we are declaring it, int a and then for. This is the for loop which we are doing today. Now for loop statement, for a is equal to 1, a is less than equal to 10, a plus plus. As you know, here initial value is this. Then come over here in syntax, this is test condition is over here. Then this is the update condition, update statement, this is the update statement. What a plus plus is going to do? A plus plus is going to do a is equal to a plus 1. We have covered it in our earlier lecture. This is the increment operator and it will always add one value into this counter variable. Now this is the body of the loop. It is going to do system.out.println God bless you all. Whatever we are writing over here, and it is going to print how many times? 10 times. From here this is known as the fixed for loop. So output will be 10 times it is going to write God bless you all on our screen. My dear friends, this I am going to show you how practically we will execute in our laptops, and till then, thank you, bye bye, and God bless you one more time.